Hello and good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and keeping well. So, children, today I have come up with another video. Let's see what are we going to learn today. So, let's get started. So, children, today in this video we are going to learn phonics sound drill O. Now, let's begin reading. See, children, can you see this picture? This picture? Can you identify this picture? Yes, this is a dog. 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 This is a log. Log. Can you identify this picture? This is a pot. Pot. We store water in these pots. Okay? तो ये क्या है? मटका है ये. Pot. और ये भी pot है. Okay? P-O-T. Pot. This is a cot. C-O-T. Cot. इस पे हम बैठते हैं. ओके हिंदी में इसको चारपाई भी बोलते हैं. D-O-G डॉग, L-O-G लॉग, P-O-T pot, C-O-T cot. Now we will understand the sound of O-G og, O-T ot. First let's read the words ending with O-G og. D-O-G dog, O-G is og. अब आगे हमने डी लिखा है. ड डॉग. F-O-G फॉग. L-O-G लॉग. B-O-G B. The sound of B is b. B-O-G bog. Okay. The sound of this letter J is j. J-O-G jog. N-O-G N. The sound of this letter N is N. Nog. T-O-G T. T says T. T-O-G tog. T-O-G tog. Okay. Again. Dog, fog, log, bog, jog, nog, tog. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's come to the words ending with O-T ot. P-O-T. P says p. P-O-T pot. P-O-T pot. G-O-T. G says g. G-O-T got. G-O-T got. H-O-T. H says h. H-O-T hot. C-O-T. C says k. C-O-T cot. D-O-T dot. D says d. D says d. D-O-G dog. L says l. L-O-T lot. N says n. N-O-T not. Now children, we are on page number 15. Some more words are there. Can you identify this picture? This picture is of Lord Krishna. Krishna Bhagwan. Okay, he is God. G-O-D God. G says God. R-O-D rod. R says r. R says r. R-O-D rod. L says l. L-O-C-K lock. L-O-C-K lock. R says r. R says r. R-O-C-K rock. R-O-C-K rock. Sound of O-D odd. Now let's read these words. These words are ending with OD odd. G. G says G, G-O-D, God. S says S, S-O-D, sod. N says N, N-O-D, nod. P says P, P-O-D, pod. R says R, R-O-D, rod. C says K, C-O-D, chord. And O-D-D, O-D-D, odd. O says O-D-D, odd. Now, words ending with O-C-K, ok. C says K, C-O-C-K, cock. L says L, L-O-C-K, lock. D says D, D-O-C-K, dock. M says M, M-O-C-K, mock. N says N, N-O-C-K, knock. R says R, R-O-C-K, rock. S says S, S-O-C-K, sock. S says S, S-O-C-K, sock. Now let's understand word formation. Word formation, शब्दों का निर्माण, शब्द कैसे बनते हैं, वर्ड्स कैसे बनते हैं. Now word sound of ox, ox. See, can you see this picture? This is a box. Box. Now, can you, if you will try to concentrate on the word box, you will come to know that this word box is starting with B. Okay, now already we know we are learning words ending with ox. B says B, ox, box. This is an ox, O-X, ox. This is a fox, F-O-X, fox, F-O-X, fox. Sound of O-P, op. C-O-P, cop. C says C, C-O-P, cop. This is a mop, M. M says M, M, M-O-C-K, sorry, M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. This is a toy called top. इसको हिंदी में लट्टू बोलते हैं, इसको इंग्लिश में टॉप बोलते हैं. ट, ट की किस कौन से लेटर की ट साउंड होती है? टी. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Now come to the sound of O-N, on. Okay. Now ये क्या है? चिमटा. इससे हम, इसकी हेल्प से हम रोटी को पैन पे, तवे पे सेकते हैं. ओके, ये चिमटा है, इसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं टोंग. ट, टी. ट किसकी साउंड होती है? ट, टी. द लेटर टी हैज गॉट ट साउंड. T-O-N-G, टोंग. T-O-N-G, टोंग. These two boys, they are singing a song. Song. S. Which letter has got this sound? S sound? S. S. S-O-N-G. Song. G says G. Song. Now, giraffe is long. Which one is long? This one. Long. L. L letter says L. L-O-N-G. Long. So children, that's all about for today. So here we have completed word formation and sound, phonics sound drill O. So that's all about for today. Thank you and have a nice day.